Are you working, ma'am?
Not at the moment. I'm on bed rest. I'm currently 3 months pregnant.
Congratulations on that. You owe a lot of tickets down here.
A defendant's day in court takes a dramatic turn when she learns her financial troubles are far worse than she imagined, leading to an emotional plea.
City of Detroit versus Daisy Garrison. Case numbers SP 1335333, count 1. SP 135874661. SP 1454922. SP 1513391, counts 1, 2. SP 1524974, SP 1586137, counts 1. And SP 1749086, counts 1 and counts 2 and counts 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Garrison.
Daisy Garrison.
All right. Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Officer Fergoza checked in. He indicated that he did not have valid recollection.
No, I don't have license, but I do have.
Ms. Garrison, please wait till you speak with the city. Wait till you speak with your attorney before you talk. All right.
Okay.
Officers here on Garrison. With Officer Tyson, good morning to you. Name, badge number, and department for the record, please. Tyson. All right, he was here. Who else is here on LaFada? Officer LaFada, he's in the breakout room. Officer Brown is here. Officer Graves here. Officer Scott is here. And officer, those are the ones that are on the list. All right, let's get you in a breakout room. Ms. Garrison with Mr. Berry. He's going to try to work this out for you. If you don't like the offer he gets you, today is the date and time set for the trial, okay?
Okay.
The judge offers a chance to resolve the matter before trial.
All right, I do have the ticket here. It indicates the allegation is that defendant was at local after-hour club at Strathmore and the West McNichols. Defendant was fighting in public with multiple females. That's what the allegation is, Mr. Berry. All right.
Thank you.
Go back in the breakout room, Ms. Garrison. Allow Mr. Berry some more time to work on this.
The situation becomes even more serious with this new charge.
Mr. Berry, let's go back on the record for Ms. Garrison. Ms. Garrison, Mr. Berry, I've given you extra opportunity to retry the case. What's going to happen?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to enter 2 counts of allowing for the Officer Haupt and Officer Scott tickets, driving on license suspended, and a count of FTD as to the driving on a suspended license for Officer LaFada. And finally, as to Officer Brown's ticket for disorderly conduct, she would enter a plea on the basis of a 90-day delayed sentence. The remaining
Will she accept the deal and face the consequences?
Ms. Garrison, do you want to take the deal?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down. Officer Hook, can you put your name, badge number, and department on the record, please?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Detroit Police Officer Nicholas Hout, badge 1789.
All right, good morning to you. All right, you understand, ma'am, that the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right
Of
to a
course, right when we
trial?
start driving.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
And you understood those rights?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
We draw your attention back to December the 3rd, 2023, at around 2:20 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of West McNichols and Strathmore. Were you at that location around that date and that time?
Yes.
Did you do something out there to cause a police presence, ma'am?
Yes.
And would you agree that that police presence that you caused disturbed the good, quiet nature of that community?
Now, the truth of her actions will be revealed under oath.
Let me draw your attention back to October the 29th, 2023, at around 1:02 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Outer Drive and Grenier. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Operate a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Officer asked to produce a valid driver's license.
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you, ma'am?
No.
And why is that?
I don't have a license.
Very well. Find your client guilty for the amended count of allowing for the amended from the driving while license suspended repeat offender, and then find your client guilty as to the amended count of allowing for the failure to display a valid driver's license. And lastly, let me draw your attention back to May the 6th, 2023, in the city of Detroit, in the area of Morang and Kelly. Do you recall being stopped by the police on that date, ma'am? Yeah, you're muted. You're muted. Okay, go ahead. You recall being stopped by the police on that day?
I don't recall.
To 2016 Buick, they say you were operating Morang and Kelly, city of Detroit, at around 1 o'clock in the afternoon.
No, I don't recall.
What about recollection? Take your attention back to May the 31st, 2022, at around 11:08 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Gratiot and Eastwood. 2010 Buick. You like the Buicks, don't you? You don't recall that either?
No.
All right, one more. Carry your attention back to
I'm trying
April the 4th, 2024. 2020, April the 4th, 2022, at around 1:04 a.m.
I'm
in
sorry.
the city.
I'm sorry. The problem was Morang and Kelly area. I do remember that wasn't my vehicle. That's probably why I was operating though.
You did get stopped on that day?
Yeah, I do remember now. Yes.
Let's go back to Morang and Kelly. Actually, Eastwood. All right, let's go back to, May the sixth, 2023, 1:29 AM, City of Detroit, Moran and Kelly. Do you recall being stopped by the police on that day, ma'am?
Yes, Meringue and Kelly, I do recall.
Operating a motor vehicle,
Yes,
officer asked you to produce valid driver's license,
yes,
could not do so, could you?
no.
And why is that?
I never had a license, Your Honor.
You do an awful lot of driving, don't you?
The judge learns of her pregnancy and shows unexpected compassion.
Don't want to answer that. All right. All right. Smart. All right. Let's see. Are you working, ma'am?
Not at the moment. I'm on bed rest. I'm currently 3 months pregnant.
Congratulations on that. You owe a lot of tickets down here. I'm gonna give you a little bit of a break today, but don't come back in here with any more tickets, because you're not gonna get a break, and I'm not gonna have sympathy for your newborn child and all of that stuff. You have to go get the stuff corrected, right?
Okay.
Each set of the tickets, I'm only gonna fine you. I'll fine you $240 for the disorderly conduct. I'm gonna give you a break. That's all I'm gonna find is $240. Each of the other tickets, they already have civil infractions associated with them. So normally, if you would have paid those civil infractions at the time, the court probably would have dismissed the misdemeanors anyway. So I'm gonna still afford you that break, $240, and then you owe a lot of other civil infractions. I'm gonna give you a review date for December the 16th, 2025 at 8:25. You need to start paying no insurance proof 288 3 times first. I don't know what your license looks like in any other jurisdictions, but if you pay those, then you can potentially set yourself up for getting a valid driver's license. You at least get clearances down here. The other monies, that the $240 that we're discussing today, I'm gonna give you until December 16th to pay it, so either do one of two things. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Either get into the payment plan or pay it by December 16th. I'll see you back December 16th at 8:25. If you don't have any further questions, ma'am, have a very good rest of your day.
I do. So because I can pay the 240 and one of those 288 tickets as soon as possible, how do I get into the payment?
Well, I would pay the 288s first.
Okay.
You have 3 of those. If you get into the payment plan with the 288, then it's not gonna clear those reinstatement fees. Those are the only 3 reinstatement fees that you have to concern yourself with. So you need to do the best you can to pay the 388s up front, and then that 240 you have until December 16th, or anything, all the other stuff you can get into a payment under one payment plan. But the 288s are the ones that are affecting the ability to get a license, at least with the 36th District Court, all right? So those you should take care of first.
Okay.
And then get it payment.
Okay.
All right, best of luck to you, ma'am. Have a very good.
In a powerful display of judicial discretion, the judge balances punishment with mercy, offering a second chance but making it clear it will be her last.